Hi beautiful people, it's your girl Carly. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I say a big warm welcome to you as well. Today I'll be doing a braid in the front and bundles at the back. Firstly, I section my hair into two from ear to ear, and then the front part I started with a comb roll. I really don't know, for some reason I enjoy, braiding my own hair. Like if I go to another hairstylist to do my hair, I always feel like they're doing kind of mistake or something. I don't know. That's just me. Yeah, sometimes it's tiring, like, but I'm kind of used to it now, so I'm just doing a little bit of style at the front, nothing too fancy, just a little style. I'm using the expression hair for this because expression it doesn't tangle easily, and right now I'm just doing the last part because I did the other side off camera. And please don't laugh at me because I don't know how to lay edges. I suck at that, but I'm still learning. I'm not giving up on my edges yet. So I got this hair from We Queen on TikTok shop, and I laid the cap off camera. So what I'm just doing is adding my glue to the hair track and just laying it on my hair. When I was done, I blow dried so it can, blow to dry. When it dry, it doesn't come out, and I'm just putting it in hot water. This is the final look. You can put your hair in ponytail, you can put it down, whichever way is still pretty. I'm just happy I got this done. It didn't take me much hour because on the back I was only using bundle, but this is how the hair looks. Please let me know in the comment section what hairstyle you would like to see me do on my hair. I hope you enjoy hanging out with me as much as I enjoy making my own hair. I will see you in the next video. Stay blessed, stay grounded.